सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं। तत्र अस्माकम् अद्यतनी कक्षा वर्तते 2303तमी कक्षा अद्यतनी। अत्र एतावत्पर्यन्तम् अस्माभिः 55 श्लोकाः पठिताः। शतके शतश्लोकेषु 55 श्लोकाः मुख्यश्लोकाः, तैः सह बहवः सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः अपि पठिताः। सम्बद्धश्लोकेषु गतकक्षायाम् अन्तिमस्य 55तमस्य श्लोकस्य सम्बद्धश्लोकेषु एकः श्लोकः समाप्तः पठितः आसीत्, अर्थः अपि बोधितः आसीत्। Last class we finished one related poem of the 55th poem, and we got to study the remaining two poems, related poems today. Srinivas, so you read, there is one in between, one quotation is also in, one line quotation, Bhartruhari.
So you wanted to explain once again?
Yes. Yaha kaschid api asambaddhaha. Yaha asambaddhaha kaschidapi mitra bhavena vartati. Whoever, though not related, though not connected, but if he is with the feeling of friendship, sa eva bandhuhu, he alone can be treated as a relative. Sa tan mitram, he is, that person can be called as a friend. Sa gatihi, he is the only our way, path. And tat parayanam, that person, tat mitram eva parayanam, final refuge, last refuge. So one should have the mitra bhava, that is important. A person who has got the mitra bhava, yasya kasyapi mitra bhavaha vartate, saha mitram bhavitum arhati, bandhuhu bhavitum arhati, gatihi bhavitum arhati, sa eva parayanam api bhavati iti tatra arthaha. Idanim tanmitramapadi.
Tanmitramapadi sukhecha samakriyam yat.
So this is one line, a line of Bhartruhari, so which says that tan mitram, tat mitram, tat plus mitram, apadi sukhecha samakriyam yat. Since yataha mitra shabdaha napumsakalinga shabdaha vartate, atra yat tat shabdayoh tatra prayogah krutaha. Yat mitram tat, idanim tat mitram, tan mitram, tat mitram bhavati. Saha snehitaha bhavitum arhati, yaha apadi evameva sukhecha samakriyaha bhavati. Mitra shabdasya prayogatvat atra napumsakalinga prayogah. Tan tat mitram yat apadi sukhecha samakriyam bhavati. That's a friend who is same in adversity and also in our happiness. Apadi samam sukhecha samam bhavati, samakriyam bhavati. Yasya sama kriya yasya tat samakriyam. He who is equally disposed in both adversity and prosperity, in sukha, in happiness, that is friend, who does not change when we are in apada, who neither changes in our apada or changes in our happiness or in his happiness, whatever it is. So that is just one line. Next poem.
Papan nivarayati yojayate hitaya gruhyam niguhati gunan prakati.
There is one, okay. There is,
yeah. Apadgatam cha na jahati dadati kale sanmitra lakshanamidam pravadanti santaha.
Yeah. Papat nivarayati yojayate hitaya. up to this one pada. Guhyam, there is one letter missing in the printing. Cha. Guhyam cha guhati. Gunan prakati karoti. Gunan prakati karoti. Next line. Apad gatam. Apad gatam. Apadi gatam. Apad gatam. Apadi. It is there na above. Tanmitramapadi. Apadi is saptami. Apad shabda. Apad gatam nama apadi gatam. Mitram. Apadi gatam mitram na jahati. Na jahati nama na tyajati. When the friend is in trouble, has gone to trouble, has landed in trouble, he doesn't leave him. Apad gatam mitram na jahati na munchati na tyajati. न तस्य त्यागम न करोति. आपद्गतस्य मित्रस्य त्यागम न करोति न मुंचति. ओके. ददाति काले काले ददाति. अवसर काले ददाति. सत मित्र सन्मित्र. सत मित्र सन्मित्र लक्षणम इदम. इदम सन्मित्र लक्षणम. दिस इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ true friend, real friend, true friend, virtuous friend. Pravadanti, who are saying? Pravadanti santaha. Wise people are declaring these are the characteristics, qualities of a true friend. Sanmitrasya kim lakshanam iti ukte etad sanmitrasya lakshanam etani sanmitrasya lakshanani तत्र षट् गुणाः वर्णिताः सन्ति. श्लोके अस्मिन् षट् गुणाः वर्णिताः सन्ति. यः कोऽपि सन्मित्रपदवीं पदेन उच्यते. यः कोऽपि सन्मित्रपदेन वक्तुम् उच्यमानः वर्तते. whoever is being called as a true friend, तस्य एते षड्गुणाः भवेयुः. तस्मिन् अथवा तस्मिन् पुरुषे तस्मिन् मित्रे एते षड्गुणाः भवेयुः. के षड्गुणाः तत्र? प्रथमः सर्वप्रथमः गुणः सन्मित्रस्य गुणः पापात् निवारणम्. यदि तस्य मित्रं पापं कर्तुम् उद्युक्तः भवति तं मित्रं पापात् निवारयति. पाप करणात् निवारयति. पापात् निवारयति नाम पाप करणात् निवारयति. पाप कर्मतः निवारयति इति एकः प्रथमः गुणः. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ अ फ्रेंड. इन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स द फर्स्ट एंड द फॉरमोस्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्वालिटी ऑफ अ ट्रू फ्रेंड सन्मित्रस्य प्रथम लक्षणं भवति पाप निवारणं. मित्रस्य पाप निवारणम. मित्रम पापात् निवारणम अथवा. ओके. द्वितीय गुणः भवति मित्रं योजयति. किमर्थं योजयते? हिताय हितकर्मणे योजयति. हितकर्म आचरणाय योजयति. प्रोत्साहयति. योजयति नाम प्रोत्साहयति, encourages. Second quality is encouraging his friend to do good things, beneficial things, good things, socially good things. That is second quality. Guhyam. Guhyam cha guhati. Guhyam nama rahasyam. Rahasyam guhati. Rahasyam rahasyameva guptam karoti. Gupta rupena tatra रक्षति. रहस्यं रक्षति. गुहति नाम रक्षति. रहस्यं रहस्यमेव रक्षति. गुह्यं च गुहति. थर्ड क्वालिटी. अयं तृतीयः गुणः सन्मित्रस्य. यत् सः तस्य मित्रस्य यदि किंचित् कानिचित् तत्र रहस्यानि भवन्ति तानि वा तत् रहस्यं वा गुप्तरूपेण रक्षेत्. रक्षति एव. मित्रयोः द्वयोः सन्मित्रयोः रहस्यानि न भवन्ति. Yadi dvayoh madhye sanmitrata na bhavati, if there is no true friendship between two people, the so-called rahasya, secret revealed by one person to the other will be revealed to the entire world. So, real friend is one who protects the secret of his friend. This is the third quality. Guhyam cha guhati gunan prakati karoti. Tasya mitrasya sanmitrasya yadi gunaha bhavanti vartante. Sanmitrasya gunaha bhavanti. Tan gunan prakati karoti. Sarvesham puratah prakati karti. He advertises the good qualities of his friend all the time without any charge, without any fee. Mitrasya gunan prakati karoti. Third, how many qualities are over? 4. I am chaturtha gunaha. Chaturtham lakshanam. Panchamam lakshanam athava panchamah gunaha apadgatam cha na jahati. Yadi tasya mitram apadgatam bhavati, apadi patitam bhavati, tarhi apadi patitam apadgatam apad patitam tasya mitram na jahati na munchati na tyajati tena saha eva tishtati. Apadi mitrena saha eva tishtati sanmitram. So apadgatam cha na jahati. Jahati nama munchati, leaving. He doesn't leave him when he is in trouble, in danger. Fifth quality. Shashtaha gunaha, shashtam lakshanam dadati kale, kale dadati. In time. This is the where the one English proverb is there. A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need, kale, is a friend indeed. So that's the name. So one quality which is spoken in this English proverb, a friend in need is a friend indeed. That is coming here in the 6th. Dadati kale, kale avasara kale, avashyakata praptayam satyam, tasmin samaye dadati, he helps. Dhanam dadati, upadesham dadati, margadarshanam dadati, sarvam dadati tatra. So these are the 6 qualities. So sanmitra lakshanam idam sanmitra lakshanam pravadanti, santaha pravadanti. Wise people proclaim this to be the characteristic of a true friend. So Srinivas, if you apply this characteristic, yardstick of true friendship, we will be left with no friends. Because they should have all the 6 qualities in them. They should stop us from doing wrong thing. They should encourage us to do good things. They should advertise and keep up our secrets as secrets. They should talk about our qualities in public, and they should help us in trouble and not leave us in trouble. They should not leave us in trouble and help us in time. These are the 6 qualities. Wonderful, comprehensive way of defining what a friend, a true friend is like by Bhartrihari. I have not seen more comprehensive, wonderful poem than this. Many people say a friend should be like this, but he has put it very, very well. And the foremost which he talks about is very wonderful. A real friend is one who stops you from doing nonsensical things. First, he should prevent you. Papat nivarayati. That is very, very essential. Anything more, Srinivas? Just see, Shloka. Anything more is not covered, you can tell me grammatically. Utsahayati, that is, yojayati means encourages. He employs him or encourages him to do. Yujya dhatu is there, na? Yojayati is causal. That causal we have not studied so far. Nijanta Shabda, Nijanta Prayoga, it is not Shabda. Yojayate means he makes him, he encourages him rather, in English. Yeah, any Nijanta is Atmanepada. Yojayate. What more? It's okay, na?
Yeah, Jahati is...
Jahati, that is Munchati. Munchati, leaving. You know, Muncha there, na?
Yeah.
Muncha. Jahati, na Jahati, na Munchati, na Tyajati. Tyaja dhatu is there, na? Na Tyajati iti. Na Jahati. Dadati. Dadati is da. That Yachati. Dadati means Yachati. Dadati kale. Sanmitra Lakshanam. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was just looking for. Guhati means Gopaniyam. Yeah, Rakshati. Gopayati. We also say Gopayati. Yojayati, Pravartayati. So there's a wonderful poem. We move on to the next.
Yes. Yaha sahayam sada kuryat pratīpam na vadet kvachit satyam hitam bhakti yati datte gruhnati mitratam. And tyaja durjana samsargam bhaja sadhu samagamam. Oh, that is separate.
That is separate one line. Yaha, there is a mistake I think here, Srinivas. Sahayam. Sahayam it should be. Sahayam means friend. Sahayam is help. I think there may be a printing error. Sahayam. So we are left with sa should be dirgha. That yam should be double ya. Yam. Sahayam. Because help or assistance. Yaha. Otherwise, if you take this reading as it is, Sahayam Sada Kuryat means one should make always a friend. If we think it is correct, if that is we cannot check, I don't have the text original. Yaha Sahayam Sada Kuryat. It can mean one should make a friend always. One should make a friend. Sahaya means any friend who helps us. Then the second half is Pratipamna Vadet Kochit. It could be that also. Sahayam Kuryat means Mitram Kuryat iti. But what I am thinking, it would have been better. Yaha Sahayam Sada Kuryat. One should always help. Whether it is making friend or helping other, both ways you can take. Pratipam na vadet kvachit. Never one should speak against his friend. Pratipam viparitam. Pratipam na vadet kvachit. Never one should speak against. If it is Sahayam Sada Kuryat, Date Gruhnati. I don't know. What is the original reading? We don't know. Satyam Hitam Vakti. And Satyam Vakti, Hitam Vakti. He speaks the truth, he speaks the beneficial truth. He always speaks the beneficial truth. Like it is something like we have a saying. Satyam bruyat, hitam bruyat. Na bruyat, satyam apriyam. Satyam bruyat, hitam bruyat. Priyam bruyat. Satyam priyam is there. Satyam bruyat, one should speak the truth. Priyam bruyat, one should speak the pleasant thing. How can truth be pleasant? That is the problem. If anybody Imagine a subordinate telling the truth to the boss. Boss will get angry. Even though it is the truth. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat. But at the same time the moral says, na bruyat, one should not speak satyam apriyam satyam. On the one hand you say, you speak the truth, but you are, and speak the priyam, dear thing, pleasant thing. And you say satyam should not be na bruyat satyam apriyam. You should not speak the unpleasant truth to anybody. Satyam cha na anrutam bruyat. Further line says, satyam cha, even the truth, anrutam na bruyat. You should not speak untruth, false. You don't make false as truth, speak false as truth. Just because the second half says, satyam cha apriyam na bruyat, you should never speak the truth which is unpleasant to the other person. Okay, you have said it, na? So, satyam cha anrutam na bruyat. Truth also should not be false at the same time. Truth should not be false, truth should not be unpleasant. But you should speak the truth. See the conditioning. So, very difficult. It's very difficult to speak the truth. Yesha dharma sanatanaha. This is the sanatana dharma. Speaking truth carefully, pleasantly, but not hurting anybody. And it should not be false also. How can we do that? So here, satyam hitam vakti. Yeah. Datte gruhnati, and one more, two more actions. Datte dadati, gruhnati, svikaroti. Mitra, no. Datte gruhnati yati mitratam. That person becomes friendly. Mitratam yati. Yaha sahayam kuryat, yaha pratipam na vadet kvachit, yaha satyam hitam vakti, yaha datte gruhnati, saha understood mitratam yati. That friend becomes the friend. He attains the friendship. Saha, one who does all these things, saha mitratam yati means adhigacchati. He gets the friendship. He attains the friendship. Saha understood mitratam yati. Kim yati? Mitratam yati means mitratvam prapnoti. He attains the friendship, friendlyhood otherwise. Friendship he attains. That person attains friendship. Who? One who, I think then sahayam is not fitting there. Sahayam is better. Yaha sahayam kuryat, sada kuryat, one who always helps. Pratipam na vadet kvachit, and never speaking against. Satyam vakti, vakti nama vadati, vachadatu vakti. Satyam vadati, hitam vadati, yaha datte, yaha grihnati cha, tadrushaha purushaha mitratam yati gacchati, mitratam adhigacchati, prapnoti. Such a person obtains or gets to friendship. I think we make a correction here.
What is this datte?
Datte means dadati, gives. Atmanipada, dadatu, dying. Yachati, da to give is then a dana.
Yachati plus gruh.
Da, the da verb is there in 2-3 ganas. So different, this is Atmanipada. Dadati is then, already we have come across. Dadati is Parasmaipada. That is Parasmaipada. This is Atmanipada of that same, like you asked Kru Dhatu, crowing, the crowing. It is there in Parasmaipada, Atmanipada also. Ubhayapadas. So this Da Dhatu is Ubhayapada. Datte means Dadati. Dadati, he gives. Grihnati, Pratigrihnati, Svikaroti. Yaha evam karoti, saha mitratam yati. Yati means again prapnoti. Yati literally means gets, goes to friendship. Ya to go. Is it okay? I think this correction, otherwise, yaha sahayam ka kuryat. One who makes a friend and gets friendship, both don't go together. Either way, it should be yaha sahayam karoti only. Because the end does not tally with the first of. Yaha sahayam, that should be the reading. This not sahayam, I think I'm not comfortable. Although sahaya means friend, so we cannot repeatedly say that one who makes a friend becomes a friend. And the last line is Samagamam, something like we have already said. Vishayan Vishavat Tyaja Mukti Vichasi Chetata Vishayan Vishavat Tyaja. So like that here, Tyaja Durjana Samsargam Sangatim, Durjananam Samsargam Sangatim Tyaja. Give up the company of bad people, wicked people. Bhaja, have the company Sadhu Samagamam. Sadhunam Samagamam Bhaja. Sevasva. Serve the company of good people. Sadhunam samagamam sevasva. Bhaja iti. So that is one line. We finished here. We will go on to the exercises, Srinivas. Dvadasha abhyasa. 12th abhyasa, and as usual, the looking at the page 121, you have to fill up Riktasthanani Purayata Ijya Adhyayana Danani Tapaha Satyam Kshama Gruna Alobha Iti Margoyam Dharmasyastha Vidaha Smrtaha. That is first line. So just look and fill. Purve Vayasi Tat Kuryad Yena Vriddha Sukham Bhave. That's okay. What about second line? Yavad Jivena Tat Kuryat Yena Pretya Sukham Bhave Vasit. Poem 3. Suvarna Pushpam Prithivim Chinvanti Purushastrayah. Second line. Shurascha Kruta Vidyascha Yascha Janati Sevitum. Fourth. Yadrushaihi Sannivishate Yadrushamscha Upasevati Yadrug Ichchecha Bhavitum Tadrug Bhavati Purushaha or Purushaha, both are same. And the last poem to be filled. Na tan mitram yasya, just now, kopad bibheti yadva mitram shankitenopachariyam yasmin mitre pitarivashvasita tadvai mitram sangatani itarani tadvai mitram sangatani itarani. So these poems we have studied. Etan panchaslokan vayam paditavantah idanim abhyase dattan amshan kartum gacchamaha. Ekena padena. One word, let us go back. 122 page. Dharmasya margaha kati vidaha. How many types of dharma marga is there? Of how many types? Ashta vidaha. Ashta vidaha. So you just substitute one word. Kati vidaha, ashta vidaha. 2. Yajnaha iti kasya shabdasya artaha. Ijya. Yajnaha iti ijya shabdasya artaha. Ijya means yajnaha. So take out kasya and put ijya. Purve vayasi punyakarmani kurvan vruddha katham vaset. How an old man lives doing good activities in his first half of his life. Sukham, one word is sukham. Katham, sukham. Answer for katham is sukham. Sukham vaset. 4. Yaha sevitum janati saha kidrushim prithivim chinoti. One who knows how to serve, what type of earth does he enjoy? Suvarna pushpam prithivim. Suvarna pushpam prithivim chinoti. 5. Kati, how many? Purushaha suvarna pushpam prithivim chinvanti. How many people enjoy the golden flowered earth? Trayaha. Trayaha purushaha. Kati, kati means aware, interrogative. Kati trayaha. 6th. Sangatim karoti ityarte kim kriyapadam prayuktam. What is the verb used in the sense of sangatim karoti? That is there in the poem. Sannivasha Nivishati poem, third poem, otherwise 56, 58. 58, no, 56, 57, 59, right. In the 59 or in the order just given in the page 121, fourth poem. Yadrushaihi sannivishate. So that is the word. Sangatim karoti ityarte kim, take out kim. Kriyapadam sannivishate kriyapadam prayuktam. Lastly, kasminniva mitre ashvasita. Like in whom should we believe? Like in a father. So last poem. Pitariva. Pitariva. Kasminniva pitari iva. Pitariva. Poem number? The 60 poem. Pitariva, third line. Pitari iva. Or you split or join it. Pitari iva savanadira sandhi is there. Now we are anyway going to the sandhis of this lesson. Third amsha. Sandhim kuruta. Join here. Whatever, joining, breaking. Very simple. A plus a ijjadhyayana danani. Savarna dirgha, just join a. Ijja. In fact, you take out the second word a and join the whole thing. Ijjadhyayana danani. Dharmasya, again savarna dirgha sandhi. Ashthavidaha. Dharmasyashthavidaha. This is also savarna. The third one, yavat jivena. Yavat jivena. Like we say, yavat jiva karagara. Shiksha. Fourth, purushaha trayaha. This is visarga sandhi. Purushastrayaha. Purushastrayaha. This visarga shall be made of sakara. That's all. Purushastrayaha. Shuraha plus cha. This is also visarga sandhi. Shurascha. Kruta vidyaha cha. Again visarga. Kruta vidyascha. Yaha cha. Again visarga sandhi. Yascha. Yascha. 8. Sam plus nivishati. Sannivishate. That is what the verb we just picked up. This is the verb to be put in 6th above sentence. Sannivishati. 9th one, yadrushancha. Yadrushamscha. Anuswara and also shakara. Yadrushamscha. Ardha shakara. Yadrushamscha. 10th, cha plus upa, very simple. A plus u, gunasandhi, chopasevati. Cha plus upasevati, chopasevati. Then 11th, tat plus mitram, tan mitram, anunasika, tan mitram. Then we have, yes?
This tan mitram is which sandhi?
Hal sandhi only, anunasika sandhi. But it broadly covered under hal sandhi. Takara, followed by Anunasika ma, nasal sound, pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. So this tavarga becomes, this is pavarga. Ma is pavarga last letter. So ta becomes the last letter of its class. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Because it is followed by ma, last letter of pavarga, this forces it to become Anunasika. Otherwise, it happens naturally, Srinivas. Tat mitram is then tat mayam. How is it coming softly? If you want to say splitting tat mayam, it takes time. Tat mayam, tat mitram. You can say it. But Sandhi is very naturally coming there. Tan mitram, tan mayam, sat chit, satchit, like that. Now that is different. This is Anunasika. Chitmayam, Chinmaya, examples are Satchidananda, Chinmaya Rupa. Then 12th one, Sankitena Upacharyam. This is also A plus U is equal to O, Gunasandhi. Sankitenopacharyam. Pitari Iva. This is Savarnadika Sandhi. E is there in both the ways. Pitari plus Iva. Pitariva. Akaha Savarne. And 14 is Iva plus, this is clear of Savarnadika Sandhi. Ivashva Sita. And the last one is 15th Sangatani Itarani. E plus again E. Savarnadika Sandhi. Sangatani Itarani. So shall we write or not necessary? I'll just fast repeat. Ijjadhyena danani dharmasyaஷ்ඨvidah yavajjivena purushastrayah shurascha krutavidyascha yascha sannivishate yadrushamscha chopasevate tanmitram sankite nopacharyam pitariva ivashvasita sangatani tarani. These are all there in the text. You can look. Chaturtamsham pashyamaha purnena vakya. Now full sentence you have to speak out here. But even then one word samar. Na gruna iti sthane kim padam prayuktam. Na gruna iti sthane agruna iti padam prayuktam. So kim should be answered as agruna and the rest you write out as it is. 2. Iti sthane. Again. Na lobha iti sthane. You have to write. This is for practice. Full answer. Na lobha iti sthane alobha iti padam prayuktam. Alobha padam prayuktam. You need not say iti. Alobha padam prayuktam. 3.
Kasmin vayasi punyam kuryat yena buddha sukham vase.
Purve vayasi punyam kuryat yena buddha sukham. So you take out kasmin and put purve and write out the entire sentence as it is. 4.
Ke trayah dhanadhanya rupa dhanadhanya purnam prithivim bhunjanti. Enjoy. Bhuja to enjoy. Bhunja. Anubhavanti. K should be taken out and write shurascha krutavidyascha yascha janati sevitum. Trayah dhana. The rest you write. I repeat. Shurascha krutavidyascha yascha janati sevitum. Iti trayah dhanadhanya purnam prithivim bhunjanti. Next. Yaha dushtan sevate saha kidrushah bhavati. Yaha naraha dushtan sevate saha tadruk bhavati. Tadruk bhavati. Kidrusha bhavati tadruk bhavati. Tadruk bhavati. So take out kidrushaha and put tadrug. Which poem it is? 59.
59 poem. You can see tadruk bhavati purusha. Sorry. Last one. Kim nama mitra. What is the characteristic of mitra? Here, Srinivas, you have to take out the whole poem. Yasmin mitre Pitariva Ashvasita. That's all. Yasmin mitre pitariva. Where is it? Pitarivashvasita. Tat mitra lakshanam. Tan mitra lakshanam, you can say. Or you may have to write the whole thing. Yeah, complete poem. Tan mitram, no, na tan mitram, you don't say. Tan mitram yasya kopad na viveti. Yadva mitram shanketa shankitenopacharyam yasmin mitre pitari vashvasita tadvai mitrasya lakshanam. You have to say at the end tadvai mitrasya lakshanam. So, okay. Fifth amsha. Kriyapadanam vachana parivartanam. Now you change the number of the verbal forms here, verbs here. Krutva riktasthana and then fill in. Dharmasya ashtavidaha margaha smrutaha. Dharmasya ashtamargaha. Now what has happened here? Smrutaha is ekavachana, marga is ekavachana, which has to, marga is put in plural. So smruta also should be made plural. Margaha smrutaha. I repeat. Dharmasya ashtamargaha smrutaha.
Naraha purve vaise punyam kuryat. Naraha purve vaise punyam
kuryuhu. Kuryat should go to plural as kuryuhu. Naraha becoming naraha. Kuryuhu. Yes. 3.
Trayah purushaha suvarna pushpam prithivim chinvanti. Purushaha.
Here ekavachana you should do.
Suvarna pushpam prithivim chinvati.
Chinoti. Chinoti, chinutaha, chinvanti. Chinoti, chinutaha, chinvanti. Totally irregular this is. Chinoti, chinutaha, chinvanti. Purushaha suvarna pushpam prithivim chinoti. 4.
Purushaha yatha
Bhavitum icchati tatha bhavati. Purushaha
yatha
bhavitum icchanti tatha bhavanti. So icchanti bhavanti you have to convert into plural. So just plural making. Last one. Saha
mitre pitari iva ashvasita. Te mitre pitari iva
Ashvasiran. Ashvasi up to that same run. Ashvasiran. It is there. Oh, they are given here, Srinivas. Kuryuhu icchanti chinoti smrutaha bhavanti ashvasiran. So just to fill up this, very simple. Kuryuhu is the plural of kuryat. Icchanti is the plural of iccati. Chinoti is the singular of chinvanti. Smrutaha is the plural of smrutaha. Bhavanti is the plural of bhavati. Ashvasiran is the plural of ashvasita. Potential mood. So evam shashtaha amsha api samaptaha. Saptam amsham adholikiteshu rekha chitreshu riktasthana. Very simple. Fill in the blanks. Srinivas. Dharmasya ashtavidaha margaha. You begin with ijya. How do you come? Adhyenam. No, danam. Ijyadhyenam tapaha. Ijya adhyenam danam tapaha satyam kshama aghrina alobha. So we repeat here, they are there in the poem. Ijya adhyenam danam tapaha satyam kshama aghrina alobha. So you just complete the circle. And in part 2 in this, again filling Trayaha Purusha. Who are the 3 people who enjoy the golden flowers of the earth? Shuraha, Krutavidyaha, Yascha Janati Sevitum. 3 persons. Shuraha, Krutavidyaha, Yascha Janati Sevitum. So, Ashtamamshaha. Uchitena vibhaktiyantena padena. Now, you use the correct appropriate vibhakti.
Bharatah api na bibeti. Which case you prefer, Srinivas? Simha Shabda should be used here. Bharatah api na bibeti is not scared of, not afraid of. Simha, which vibhakti you think you should use? Everywhere Panchami you should use here. Bhitrarthanam bhaya hetuhu Panchami. So Simhat Bharatah Simhat api na bibeti. Bharata, boy here. Bharata, when he was a boy, is not scared of even a lion. Simhat. So Bhimah api na bibeti. Asurat api na bibeti. Bhima is not scared of a demon. Asurat. No other vibhakti is allowed, Srinivas. Only Panchami. Panchami of the words given here. Panchami of Akaranta is different, you know, from Panchami of Ikaranta. Panchami of Ikaranta is different from Panchami of Ukaranta. So take care of that. Third one, Sa Balika. Very simple again. Sarpat api na bibheti. That girl is not scared of even serpent. 4.
Viraha balikaah dash api na bibhyati.
Bibheti singular, plural is bibhyati. Now, Viraha balikaah, brave girls, Mrityu put in Panchami. Mrityu is Ukaranta. So what Ukaranta Shabda we have studied? Guru. Guroho. Mrityoho. Viraha balikaah mrityoho api na bibhyati. Brave girls are not scared. Okay, finally. Ravanat. Ravanat api na bibhyatah. Sorry, bibhitah. Bibheti, bibhitah, bibhyati. Now derivation is also shown here. Bibheti, bibhitah, bibhyati. How? Bibhyati is looking like ekavachana. So some verbs are advanced which are irregular. So they should be careful. Bibhitah, bibhyati, bibhitah, bibhyati. Bibheti, bibhitah, bibhyati. That is the prayoga here. So rule is, whatever one is afraid of, that person should be put in, that thing should be put in Panchami. Bhaya hetuhu. Bhaya hetuhu should be in Panchami. Navamamsham. Slokadharena. So sloka is there already for us. Purve vayasi. Ga. One ga. Ashtavidaha. Margaha. Suvarna pushpam prithivim. Itarani sangatani. Kha. Trayaha purushaha. So one joining with ga, two joining with nya, three joining with ka, four joining with kha, five joining with gha. Simple, na? Very simple. If you want to repeat it, Purve vayasi ashtavidaha margaha suvarna pushpam prithivim itarani sangatani trayaha purushaha. Now, some extension of your information here. Sorry. Yada purvapadasya ante makaraha bhavati. When there is a makara to the preceding word, end of the preceding word, uttarapadasya pratamaha varnaha vyanjanam bhavati. Tada makarasya anuswara. But this is a very simple rule. You know, Srinivas, when we write in the first word, when ma is coming at the end, makara, and if it is followed by uttarapadasya pratamaha varnaha vyanjanam, if it is followed by consonant, aham atra, take for example, aham atra. M is followed by a, which is vowel. Supposing aham tatra is there, not atra, tatra. Ta is a consonant, vyanjana. So what should be? It becomes anuswar.
Aham tatra, in the sentence aham tatra, this aham makara coming at the end becomes a dot which is called anuswara. Supposing ma is followed by a, then it is written out. Aham fully write out, atra you write. Vedam vande, ma vyanjana visarga, vyanjana varga, varna, sorry. Yadi makarat param swara varnaha bhavati, if there is a vowel after makara, tarhi then makaraha eva tishtati, makara will stand as it is. Example you can see here, gruham ayati, gruham ayati. Further if you join gruham ayati, it becomes. It's a simple thing which we have been observing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So evam rupena asmakam द्वादशमः अभ्यासः सुसंपन्नः जातः इदानीं समयः 10 निमेषाः शेषाः तो अतः वयं 61तमं श्लोकं पठामः चिरस्थायी मैत्री again he is not leaving us friendship. We spoke so much in the previous last sloka about there we saw the characteristics of a good friend. पापान् निवारयति योजयते हिताय गुह्यं च गुहति गुणान् प्रकटीकरोति आपद्गतं च न जहाति ददाति काले सन्मित्र लक्षणमिदं प्रवदन्ति सन्तः. Wonderful poem, a very comprehensive way of describing what are the qualities of a true friend. Now let's see what chirasthai maitri, permanent friendship.
ययोश्चित्तेन वा चित्तं निभृतं निभृतेन वा समेति प्रज्ञा ययो मैत्री न जीर्यति.
So maybe we are giving some other insight of friendship here. How between two people friendship lasts. How long friendship will last? Friendship will last forever according to Vidura. Between those two people, this is Padacheda. Yayoho. That means yayoho dvayoho. See, one more thing you have to observe, Srinivas, because it is incidental, I tell you. Friendship cannot be had with many. The idea of having many friends is lost in that. The idea of having friend is lost in saying I have many friends, because nobody can have many friends. The pramana is this sloka also. Yayoho dvayoho, between which two people. Friendship is mostly between two people. Maybe some more, but not many, multiple. Because there, if you want to know who the real friends are, then the last poem you have to 6 qualities you apply and then you filter out your friends. Who is your friend or not? So that is yayoho means dvayoho. Yayoho dvayoho chittena
चित्तं निभृतं निभृतेन वा सम एति प्रज्ञातयोः मैत्री न जीर्यति. अन्वयः ययोः चित्तेन चित्तं वा निभृतेन निभृतं प्रज्ञया प्रज्ञा समेति तयोः मैत्री न जीर्यति.
जीर्यति नाम नश्यति. तयोः मैत्री, तयोः द्वयोः मैत्री न नश्यति. ययोः चित्तेन चित्तं, ययोः द्वयोः मध्ये, between which two people, चित्तेन चित्तं, the mind joins with his, the mind, one's mind joins with the other. If the two minds of people, chittena chittam, chittena chittam sammilati. You can say yayoho dvayoho madhye chittena chittam sammilati. Manasa manaha sammilati. Between which two people, one mind joins comfortably with the other mind. Next, nibrutena nibrutam. Nibrutam means secret. Yayoho dvayoho madhye nibrutam rahasyena rahasyam samgacchati, samtishtati. between which two people a secret stands as a secret. Okay? Rahasyam rahasyamiva tishtati bhavati. Then yayoho dvayoho madhye pragnaya pragna sameti. Pragnaya saha pragna sameti samyak sangacchati. Yayoho dvayoho madhye pragnaya saha pragna sameti samyak eti sangacchati joins. That means between which two people the intelligence joins with the one's intelligence, one's wisdom joins with the other wisdom, matching. See, it is nothing but mind matching, secret, keeping up secret, and intelligence or wisdom matching. Next, then if these things are matched, tayoho maitri na jiryate. Jiryate means it is not nashyati. Their friendship never fails or becomes old or perishes. That friendship, tayoho maitri, the friendship between that two people, between those two people never perishes. Jiryati na sam nashyati iti. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
So, if the minds only, one mind joining with the other mind, one secret kept by the another man's secret, and intellects matching. So, minds matching, secrets matching, intelligence matching. If that is there, then that friendship will never fail. Or well, it's very simple. Okay, next. Continue.
भाव ययोः द्वयोः मनः व्यवहारः बुद्धिः
परस्परं
साम्येन वर्तन्ते
तेषां मैत्री चिरस्थायिनी भवति. ययोः द्वयोः पुरुषयोः मध्ये मनः व्यवहारः बुद्धिः प्रज्ञा परस्परं साम्येन वर्तन्ते. If they are equal, parasparam samyena vartanti. So then tesham maitri, their friendship chirasthayini bhavati bhavishyati. Their friendship will be standing, lasting forever.
2 minutes.
One poem will read.
दुर्बुद्धिम अकृत प्रज्ञम छन्नं कूपं तृणैरिव विवर्जयति मेधावी तस्मिन् मैत्री प्रणश्यति.
Yeah. You can just do Padacheda and then we'll do it in next class. Durbuddhim akruta pragnam channam kupam trunaihi iva vivarjayati medhavi tasmin maitri pranashyati. So what Vidura is saying, Durbuddhihi, bad minded fellow, Durbuddhi, a person who is having Durbuddh, wicked mind, Akruta Pragnam, one who is not wise, Channam, one who is a very covered type of person, one who is not free, frank person, Channam. Oh, sorry, this is an adjective for Kupam. Channam Kupam, a covered well, Srinivas, a covered well. How covered by what? Kupaihi iva. Kupaihi iva Channam. Trunai, I'm very sorry. Trunaihi iva Channam Kupam. Like a well covered by grass. He says, Durbuddhim, a fellow who is Durbuddhi, who is Akruta Pragnam, and who is like Kupa means, like a well covered by Truna, grass. Unaccomplished, intelligent fellow. Krutaprajna is wise. Vivarj, there is a mistake here, Srinivas. Vivarjayati, no. Vivarjayita, one should avoid. What it says, one should avoid. Varjayet. Understand? Varjayet tadrusham mitram we say. Varjayet means he should avoid. Medhavi. Medhavi should avoid such people. Which people? Durbuddhi, Akrutaprajnam, who is like a well covered by grass. Medhavi, and also, or you can say, not comparison, a Medhavi should avoid Durbuddhi, Akrutaprajna, and also a well covered by grass. You should also avoid well. Vivarjayita Medhavi tasmin maitri pranashyati. In that person, maitri pranashyati. Because friendship is lost in such people. Tasmin maitri pranashyati means tasmin tadrushe purushe maitri pranashyati. Kidrushe purushe? Buddhi, durbuddhi, buddhihi, durbuddhau purushe, akruta pragne purushe maitri pranashyati. Compare Channam, because they are covered. They are covered like a well, covered by grass. So dangerous, no? No, what the picture is, if there is a well which is covered by grass, you don't know how deep it is. So you should be careful. These fellows, Akruta Buddhi and Durbuddhi, both are equally dangerous. Okay, Shubham Bhuyat.